Hey, welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. We are down here at Starved Rock Marina and we have the Sea Eagle kayak. It's 35 pounds and it's inflatable. Let me show you everything we've got for it as we get it out of the truck here. First thing we have is the pump. This hooks up to our car battery. That's why the hood's open on the truck. So let's get that ready. So we hook up the air hose here. And we adjust the setting here. We always adjust to 6 pounds to fill it, and then we go back and fill it to 10. It comes in a nice bag. And in this part of the bag, the 2 rods are, and the 2 foot holders are in there. I'll put those down there on the ground. Get this out of the bag. We roll this out like this. So the first thing we do is a floor. And hook this into the floor. Start up the pump. While that runs, we can put these in. One. Yes, the pump automatically shuts off when it gets to pressure. So now we can take this one, switch to there. Cover the seat. Now we're going to reinflate the last chamber. When we go to do the last chamber, we turn it up to 10 pounds. And we slowly inflate this one. While it inflates, we hook up the seat. So there you go, we're inflated. You saw how quick that was. We'll show you how it works out on the river. Catch you soon. that pump you saw earlier, fill it up with a knapsack, backpack, keep it in. Not that I'd ever put this thing on my back and carry it somewhere, but it's nice. It's got some extra places here for gear being hooked up. It's a nice little kayak. It's not too wobbly. I mean, you can wobble it a lot, but you can see it's not going to go over. The sides are full of air. That works pretty well. Here if we want. There's a plus over here to do it. So when you go to deflate this, what you can do is you open these up here. See, no air leaks out. You got to push this in. All right. When you push that in, you turn it counterclockwise, and the air comes out. So we're going to go ahead and do all those, and then we'll show you how to fold it up. We will be removing these. When the air's out, you can pop these out of place. I always start by taking the seat out. Take that and put it in our basket here. Then I come in and take all the air out of all of the chambers. Once the air is light, you can kind of fold these out. They come out relatively easy. A lot easier than they go in. Okay, set these aside. Now what I do is I turn it on its side, the back here. Start turning on its side, get ready to fold up. Come right in front of the Skeg and fold it. You hear the air come out the other side. Once you get that folded, get the bag, get it folded, start standing this up. Stand up the bag. Over like this. Oh, you got to get this right. Oh, you're supposed to right. I take these straps and strap them over the so the fall out and that's right. Yeah, it's a box bag going. You know this part right there? I take these footrest. Open the zipper. Put them out. Go right in here. And put the footrest in here. Zip it closed. And the size of that inside and grab the straps there. Hey, there we go. The My Two Good Hands video on the kayak is over. Yes, we're standing in front of our Jeep for our next project, so don't miss any videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the link for the kayak will be down below if you want to get you one. I love mine, and you'll love yours. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next video again. And like I said, we're going to work on something for our Jeep, so stay tuned.